Michael Aviani with Los Cabos Real Estate, Los Cabos Vacation Rentals, and we're going to enter Casa de las Piedras, which is located in the Fundadores section of Puerto Los Cabos. This has a beautiful entryway, nice artwork, and beautiful entry right here. A nice picture of downtown San Jose that was custom painted for one of the owners. And we have a beautiful living room with a 72-inch flat screen TV. And this is a dining room, living room combination with a beautiful bar area inside. Beautiful kitchen with center island, all granite countertops. GE monogram appliances, and this bar also goes to the outside. So I'm going to scan the living room and the fireplace, and there's the entryway, and we're going to go outside quickly, scan the pool area with the outside bar, and there's another bar area over there with a barbecue and another sink, and there's some bar stools here, swim up pool bar type situation with the jacuzzi, and here's the beautiful ocean view. We're going to go over here and scan the golf course. This sits off one of the fairways. And down below, out in front, is the beach club. We're going to come back and scan the pool area, and then I'm going to show you the bedrooms. We're going to go inside, go off to the left, scan the living room one more time. Scan back over to the kitchen and bar. And there's a half bath right here. And here's the first master suite, king size master suite. With flat screen TV. Bathroom has granite countertops with double sinks. Also has a jacuzzi in this bedroom, and beautiful travertine marble shower. And this bedroom exits out to the pool area and also has ocean view. Second bedroom, queen size bed, a little bit smaller room, also has a flat screen TV. And the bathroom, once again, has double sinks with granite countertops and travertine shower. We're going to come through, walk down the hallway to bedroom 3. See that beautiful picture again. Town San Jose. Bedroom 3 has 2 singles with flat screen TV. All the bedrooms have phone. Once again, it has double sinks with granite countertops and another beautiful travertine marble shower. Then we're going to go to bedroom 4. Bedroom 4 is another king size master suite with private patio, flat screen TV, and once again, double sinks, granite countertops. This has a jacuzzi tub, and once again, all travertine marble sink. So that's about it. There's a 5th bedroom, very small, with maid's quarters in the back. Be good for one teenage kid or one child. Once again, here's the beautiful kitchen area and pool area. It all opens out into the pool area. Large 72-inch television. And this is it. Come to Cabo for fun in the sun. You can see more detailed information on our websites, which are www.loscabosvacation.com, cabovacation.net, cabosanlucas.us, loscabosvillas.com, and loscabosvillas.net. Right now I would choose cabosanlucas.us. That's the easiest to maneuver around, and please take a look and give me a call. This is Michael Aviani, Los Cabos Real Estate, Los Cabos Vacation Rentals, and Real Deal Videos. Have a great day. Thanks.